After completing the experiment, the report was written and submitted to the teacher. Or no error, 5 seconds. Correct answer, letter A. Kasi siya ay dangling modifier. So again, ang dangling modifier, yung mga phrases or modifier na ganito na wala namang minamodify. Kaya siya dangling. Ibig sabihin, missing or nawawala yung dapat na minamodify ng phrase. After completing the experiment, the report, so it seems na yung report, yung nag-complete ng experiment. Pero sino ba talaga yung gumawa ng experiment? Wala dito. Diba dapat may tagagawa ng experiment, tapos sila rin yung gagawa ng report. So in this case, problematic yung construction kasi nga parang ang nangyayari, yung nag-complete ng experiment ay yung report, which is not the case. Kaya nga sinabi natin na malito, dangling siya kasi missing yung subject. To fix this error, pwede natin i-supply yung mismong subject. Halimbawa, after completing the experiment, the group wrote and submitted the report to the teacher. O kaya, para hindi mo na ito baguhin, pwedeng dito ka na lang magbago. Like, after the group completed the experiment, tapos same pa rin. The report was blah, blah.